Master the Google AI Trio. We're diving into Google's Flow, Canvas, and Vids. We'll cover how Google Flow generates cinematic images, Gemini Canvas help create no-code website, and using Google Vids AI to create quick videos. Next up is Google Flow, the game changer for visuals. Say goodbye to searching through stock libraries for hours. Stop jumping between apps. Google Flow now has Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro built right in. Need a change? Don't regenerate the whole thing. Use the lasso tool to select exactly what you want to fix. Describe the new detail, and Flow swaps it out while keeping your lighting and style consistent. The best part? Your edited photo is now an ingredient. Drag it into your video prompt to turn your static art into a cinematic masterpiece. That's the power of the Google AI stack. Gemini Canvas. This is where your rough ideas become apps, scripts, or websites. Simply prompt your rough idea into Canvas. It takes your unstructured thoughts and gets ready to structure them. Canvas instantly generates a prompt like, "Build me a website" into a professional website, saving you hours of coding and formatting. Finally, we move to Google Vids for assembling video and adding the finishing professional touches. In Vids, you easily drop in the stunning B-roll footage you generated with Flow or create footing from Google Vids. Everything aligns seamlessly. No more waiting for voiceover artists. Vids lets you select a professional AI avatar narrator to deliver your script with perfect clarity and tone. For the final cleanup, use Vids' powerful transcript trim feature. Just edit the text transcript, and the corresponding video and audio automatically clean up, making edits incredibly fast. Ready to experience this workflow transformation yourself? Type Google in the comments to get a free tutorial video.